Semi-Cactus Dahlias, known for their striking, spiky petals, are a popular choice among gardeners. Fool's Gold is one such semi-cactus variety that exhibits beautiful golden yellow blooms. To successfully grow semi-cactus dahlias like Fool's Gold, follow the guidelines below. Choosing and preparing the planting site. Select a sunny location with well-draining soil. Dahlias thrive in full sun, although they can tolerate partial shade. Prepare the soil by incorporating organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. Planting dahlias. Wait until the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed up before planting dahlias. In most regions, this is around springtime. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the tuber, bulb, of the dahlia. Place the tuber horizontally with the bud, facing up. Cover the tuber with soil, leaving about an inch of the neck exposed. This helps prevent rotting. Watering and fertilizing. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Regular watering is important, especially during dry spells. Apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks, or use a slow-release fertilizer at planting time. Follow the product instructions for application rates. Supporting and staking. Semi-cactus dahlias tend to have large, heavy blooms. To prevent them from drooping or breaking, provide support by staking the plants. Insert sturdy stakes next to the tubers when planting. As the plant grows, gently tie the main stem to the stakes using soft twine or plant ties. Pruning and maintenance. Pinch out the growing tips of the dahlia plants when they reach around 12 to 18 inches in height. This encourages branching and fuller growth. Remove any dead or damaged foliage throughout the growing season. Mulch around the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Harvesting and storing tubers. Once the dahlias have bloomed, you can cut the flowers for bouquets and arrangements. Cut the stems at an angle and immediately place them in water. In regions where frost occurs, lift the tubers after the first frost kills the foliage. Allow them to dry for a few days, then remove excess soil and store them in a cool, dry location for winter. Remember, while these guidelines can help you get started with growing semi-cactus dahlias like Fool's Gold, it's always beneficial to consult local gardening resources or experienced gardeners for region-specific advice.